Hey guys, welcome back to Winnfrey's kitchen. Today we are making yummy potato wedges. Buckle up and don't forget to subscribe.
Winnfrey's kitchen.
For the seasoned potato wedges, we need potatoes, half teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of seasoned salt, half teaspoon of thyme, half teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of oregano. First step is to peel the potatoes, then cut them into wedges. The potato wedges are not like fries, they are a bit bigger. This size should be enough. So I'm done cutting them into wedges. Rinse them in cold water to remove the starch. Next, I'll blanch the potatoes for 3 minutes in hot salty water. And I'm going to add my potatoes. Once blanched, I'll dip them in cold water to stop further cooking. Don't over blanch as we don't want the potatoes to mash. So we're going to let it stay for like a few seconds, and then we'll also remove this. So now we're going to deep fry our potato wedges. So we're going to deep fry till golden brown. My wedges are ready. I am going to remove them. We have the crunchiness. So it's time to season. So I'm going to season, and first I'm going to mix my spices. Then I am going to add the spices on my wedges. So be careful with the salt. You remember we boiled our potatoes with salt, so when we are adding it here, you have to be careful not to put too much. Finally, garnish with coriander leaves and the seasoned potato wedges are ready. I hope you loved this simple recipe, and if you did, do let me know in the comments and share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Follow for more.